Hey y'all, this is Jason Ricci, and in honor of David Malone Kimbrough, my old band leader, in honor of his birthday yesterday, today I'm attempting one of the recipes that even some of the Kimbrough family didn't know David could do. Alright, so a lot of the Kimbroughs, I've told about this, and they're like, I didn't know David could cook. Maybe he couldn't, but he could cook this. So what I got here is some thin pork chops. Thin pork chops. Here they are. Bone in. Very important. This is how I remember them. When I lived with David, it was around 1995, and that was the last time I had this. Now I've seen it around here in New Orleans in some soul food places, but I never got it. So here's the important part. This is the gravy. After you cook the pork chops, you drop them in this gravy and you let them simmer in there. Okay, they stay in there. When you serve them, you just serve them out of there. So how did I make this gravy? Okay, first of all, I took a bunch of bacon fat and I poured it in the pot. And then I had a piece of Popeye's chicken, white meat, which white meat is not good for anything except chopping up and putting in a roux. So I chopped it up, I minced it into nothing, and then I put it into the bacon fat and added some flour, and I rapidly stirred it for a while until it turned into a dark roux. Okay, then I added salt and slap your mama seasoning, which is just like cayenne pepper and paprika and celery and onion and garlic. Put some more garlic in there, and I dropped the pork chops in there. This is how I remember David having it. So I'm going to taste this gravy. Oh my God, that gravy is so good. Okay, that is better than any gravy you have ever had. Okay, that's Popeye's roux gravy. The Popeye's thing is my own addition, right? But I know David would approve of that. Okay, so I'm flipping the pork chops. They're done, right? I think they're done. When these are done, I'm gonna cut into them, make sure they're done. When they're done, they're going in there.
Yes.
Take a bite.
Gladly.
Say, I got the dog in me. Kimbrough pork chops. Pretty good.
I got the dog in me.
There they are. Pork chops, thin pork chops cooked in bacon fat with bacon fat and Popeye's chicken and flour and onion gravy. Potts Camp pork chops. And that is Malone Kimbrough pork chops. David, love you, baby. Rest in heavenly peace. See you soon, y'all. Appreciate it.